What up, Blessed fam? We are out here at Cypress Coffee and Cars today. It is a cold one. It's like 40 degrees out here, so we're going to get straight to it today. Hopefully we'll get some good scenes. I ain't been out here in a while, but this is one of my favorite spots for the scenes because they like to launch them, you know what I'm talking about? So let's get it. Today we're starting off with the NSX. Oh, this is a bad boy right here. Hold on. Nice. Let's see, let me get a close up of that offset on that back wheel here. Oh yeah, me likes. Carbon fiber wing. Me likes. Yeah, third. Another NSX. The NSX is getting pretty popular. I do like the one I saw at the other car show. It says not a C8. Let me see if that may be him. And we got the Ferrari rolling in. And it sounds deep. Yeah, third. Let me go over here and see if this is one of the ones that was at the last car show that said not the C8. Not a C8. Zoe 488 Ferrari. Sky 8110. HT Lambo. And this one, nope. Nope, it is not the NSX that says not a C8. But I did like that one though. The fact that it said not a C8. And the NSXs are starting to pop out just as much. As you see the C8s, the NSXs are also stepping up. And the last one I saw, the Acura NSX. This is a nice color right here. I like this BMW. Me likes. Carbon fiber tips on it. Yeah, third. And this bad boy right here. Porsche.
The interior is nice on these.
Wow. I haven't been seeing the Lotuses a lot lately. I don't know why. I haven't really been seeing the Lotuses.
The last time you were in the game? It's really easy over there.
What do we have here? Uh-oh.
The same car.
Making a little noise there. Okay, back to this bad boy here. Is this the Ford Galaxy? Man, look at the pipes on this bad boy. Ha ha ha, I like. I'm pretty sure this is the Ford Galaxy. Let's see. You guys know I'm a diehard Chevy, but I respect all old schools, and it doesn't have it anywhere on here. Nice fuel cell, geez. Red top battery, oh yeah. Mickey Thompson's on the back, they serious. They serious about this bad boy here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Respect, much respect. See what else we got over here. I'm gonna try to give you guys a different spec today. I'm gonna pull out the drone. So as they do the launches, I'm gonna try to catch you guys pulling out with the drone. Sometimes the drone work out for me, sometimes not so much, but we're gonna see today if we can get the drone to participate and act right. GTR. Coming into the parking lot, got the bead locks on. He's usually at most of the car shows I go to. I don't know his name, never met him, but RS3. Nice. The Hondas lined up for you guys who are into the forgot what they call them, RDMs, JDMs, MCMs, something like that. So respect to the JDM family, gotta show them some love. All my viewers out there who are into the JDMs. I'm trying to keep moving, people. It is cold. I usually make jokes about Houston not having a real winter, but I think this is gonna be a pretty deep one right here. And they're still pulling in. Yes, sir. All right, let's pick up where we left off at. Now we got the Mustangs. GT350. Another GT350. We got a little crowd over here, so I'm gonna work my way through here. And this is that Ferrari that was pulling up with a nice exhaust, Ferrari 430, with a nice exhaust. Now he got the camber on these bad boys here. This is what I call the knock-knee look. I couldn't do it because these tires are so expensive. I would love to know what these guys spend on tires, because they are leaned in to the point to where you barely make contact on any part of the tire other than the inside. But hey, teach his own. Jeez, got the knock-knee look. And he brought man's best friend with him. What's up, big boy? Oh, hold on. This the real deal Trans Am? I don't want to get all up on his VIN number, but jeez. Usually see the Firebirds, Trans Am not so much. And I said I was going to start giving you guys a little bit more info on these. The Camaro, which is basically the Trans Am for y'all who like to debate it. The Camaro actually came out. They started the Camaro in 67 and it ran through 69, but no, 67, 68, and 69 all have their unique characteristics. A lot of today's cars, they'll run for 4 years, sometimes 5, sometimes 6. And that is an actual Trans Am with the Ram Air. So I'm assuming that's the real deal. I don't want to get on their VIN number, but I'm assuming that is the real deal. ZR1, the Corvette ZR1. Uh-oh, a convertible SS. Jeez. Wow. The Bumblebee is in the building. Oh my goodness, we got a convertible C8 here. Like that color spec, burgundy with the black insides. Got a Grand Sport here. On the C7 Corvette. Man, it is chilly willy out here. Y'all notice I'm doing more talking than normal. I'm trying to stay warm and occupy my mind because it is chilly willy. It's the MR2. I believe we got the Toyota MR2 3.5 quad cam 24 valve. Jeez. Toyota MR2, yes sir. There we go. Nice. Nice. Man, I like everything about this. He got the right wheels on there, the spoiler. He didn't overdo it. He didn't underdo it. Mid lights. Mid lights. Reminds me a lot of the Pontiac Fiero they came out with. That's how I can always tell on the Toyota MR2s. But I do like the way he did it. Got the Volkswagen. This is not the normal 19 window. It looks like it. If I'd have saw it from the front, I would have thought it was the 19 window, 21 window, 31 window, whatever they call it. Like I say, guys, I know some of this stuff y'all be like, I'm slicing and dicing these titles, but like I said, I'm a Chevy guy. I can tell you, especially old school, I can tell you about Chevys all day long. Anything else I may have ran across at another car show or familiar with from others owning. I'm a Chevy guy, so 13 window, 19 window, 21 window, whatever it is, that one only has, that's the 3 window, I guess. Now this bad boy here is a unique individual. I did not know it until recently, but that is a unique individual right there. And this one is, yeah, I've seen him at a couple of shows. He's always coming out. And like I say, yeah, it's cold out here, people, but the real car enthusiasts, they're gonna come through regardless. It's kind of like the mailman, you know what I'm talking about? What they say, winter, summer, spring, fall, rain, sleet, snow. I don't know. There we go. Right on a bike. Now that is a brave soldier. He's on the Indian and it is freezing out here. Got the Camaro over here on this lonesome. Doing its own thing today.
It's beautiful. Yeah, you just want to play.
Okay, these bad boys here look like somebody took the Vanderhall and converted them into some dune buggies, but I don't know, can't tell. But when I first saw the front end on them, I thought they were the Vanderhalls. Moving right along. AMG with the bi-turbo, me likes. CTS V station wagon. Talk about a sleeper, jeez. Like they call on that Volkswagen. The McLaren at the last car show like that. And we got Santa Claus. This is the Chevy Chase National Lampoon Vacation. Hey, he's in the car. How you doing, Chevy? How you doing now, Chevy? Taking the family on a little Christmas vacation.
Just a Grinch stuff. My guys on the guitar.
That's why he was making all that noise. Jeez, that turbo on that bad boy. He likes. Got the Pontiac. Is this the GTO? This don't look like the GTO. Wait a minute. Firehawk? Firehawk? Never heard of a Firehawk. That's the Trans Am. Okay, I'm lost. I don't know what is going on here. It says Firehawk. Wow. I've never heard of that. I'm assuming it's real. We got the Supra. Let me correct myself. 93 to 96 Supra. Okay, now back to this Firehawk. Now I know they had the Pontiac GTO and I think the other one was the Pontiac G8. But this one says Firehawk Supercharged.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, come and keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Oh, with that I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody is right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, come and keep chasing. could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level, they think that work is too stressful. I think that work is essential, the grind is all in your mental. And I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity, man, I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages. 5-10 year plans are contagious. I attack that shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't get the fuck out of my way then got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say damn, I learned some lessons. And say damn, I had no questions. I had fun in every second and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that I'm never gonna